earthquake so strong it literally shifted the Earth's axis by about 25 centimeters. Shock waves that gave birth to a massive tsunami, Saigai, the Japanese word for disaster.
A nuclear disaster, what could the consequences be?
Their radioactive levels there have risen 1,000 times above normal. They've lost the ability to cool down radioactive materials. The earthquake has knocked out the cooling system there, and 5 other reactors are also under a state of emergency. Again, worries over the cooling systems there.
Japan's northeastern coast, the Fukushima Daiichi power station felt the full force of the earthquake.
The government has said the radiation is too high for people to live in. People have evacuated out of the area. Gone almost an entire year. Time has stood still, except for the animals. These are animals that have been abandoned for almost a year now, who've managed to stay alive in desperate conditions. The remains of those who haven't litter the region.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a coastal rail, a smile from a veil? And do you think you can tell? And did they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, a cold comfort for a change? And did you exchange a walk-on part in the war for a lead role in a cage? Just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. How we found same old fear. I wish you were here. Just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. How we found same old fear. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. Wish you were here. I wish you were here. wish you